All right, guys, this is a 2008 Cadillac Escalade. So I wasn't gonna record this, but I was trying to do the transmission dipstick, and then I looked online. They say you gotta drop the whole transmission down. I am not gonna drop the whole transmission down or pull the motor out just to get this thing in there. So what I did, I'll measure this too, and I'm trying to hurry before it gets dark on y'all. But what I did is I cut off a little bit off the bottom. This is not gonna hurt anything, I don't think. And excuse the massive oil leak, I gotta fix that next. I think I need to do an oil pan gasket. But y'all can see I cut it off. So, oh yeah, and you gotta take this heat. Y'all see this heat shield? It's got two 10mm bolts in it. You gotta take this off and drop it down out the way. Cause right there is where the tube needs to go in. Up above that green gasket, if you look on the transmission. So, let me see. Hope y'all can see. I'm gonna try to get it in there now with it cut like this. I already got all the extra. Make sure you clean the extra metal up off the edges, because you don't want that going in your transmission. But see how close it is to going in? With that long piece on there, you can't get it in there. See, I'm close, man. Super close. So I'm gonna need 2 hands, guys, so I can get this in there. Yeah, let me see. I'm gonna need 2 hands, and I'll turn y'all back on, see if I get it in there.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, I got it in there. Y'all see? It's in there. I had to bend. Let me see if I can show y'all that little piece that bolts on to right there. Let me see if I can put my light up here. So like where this piece bolts on to the transmission bolt, I had to bend that to get that out the way. And my son is up top. He helped me slide it in there. I'm really not too concerned with that. I can straighten that out and then go ahead and tighten that bolt up and then put that on there. But man, we got it in there, and I sat here and thought about it for about 2 weeks, and I could not get that thing in there. It's in there, brother. All right, now grab that. Here, we gotta put the oil dipstick back in too. Grab that. And grab it from the other side. So this is the broken one. Oh, man, that was not cool. Not cool at all. So we're gonna put this dipstick in there. Now we can finally see how much oil in it. Hold that real quick. And then, brother, I'm gonna need you, once we turn the camera off, I'm gonna need you to move it around like that so I can try to bolt it down. You know what I mean? So we can get that bolt on there. But y'all see, guys, you don't have to drop the whole transmission down or pull the motor out. And yeah, we got it in there. That's what shows on YouTube. Just thought I'd do a quick video to show y'all how I was gonna get it in there the custom instinct way. And y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.